Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Umama Akram and you're watching IVA, Iqbal Virtual Academy, and it is our English Language Lecture 6. Today in this lecture we are going to know that how to use would, could and should. First of all, how to use should. Should can be used to express something that is probable and that might happen. We are not sure about that, and that may be to show obligation, give recommendation or even an opinion. Example, you should stop listening songs and you should go to market. Next is use of would. Would is used to make a polite request or in hypothetical situation. Example, would you take tea? If I had a good voice, I would love to be a singer. Now how we use a could. We use could to make a polite request to suggest a possibility or something that might happen. Example, could you please give me that glass? Whose pen? If someone asks whose pen is this, you can say this could be of Asif, right? This was the question many people asked, how to use would, could and should. We explained it and hope you understand and you liked. If you like it, please share and subscribe now. Thanks a lot for watching. Allah Hafiz.